So now let's see how we can work around with channel swapper and channel time sip effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this particular footage, and in order to apply the channel swapper and channel time shift, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here. Then I'm going to go around over here under the channel folder right here, and over here you can see that channel swapper is an option right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out and keep it on the clip right here, then you can see that it says channel swapper. So it says take red from red, but what you can do is you can take red from green, and what happens is that in the RGB channel it takes out the red. It takes out the red now from the green, and then that is the result. You can, let's say for example, take green from blue then, and you can also go around and take, let's say, blue from luminance right here, and that is how you can go around and change up the channel swapper. You can go around and take alpha from, let's say for example, red right here, and similarly you get the transparency and everything else right here, just like this. So this is how you can go around and work around with lightness, and then let's say for example full on right here or full on right here, just like this. And this is how you can go around and swap the color as you like right here, red from red, and let's just go around green from green right here. And let's say for this one I'm going to go around and say red, and what happens is that it simply applies, it swaps out the channel color, just like this. So let me just go around and delete this, and apart from that we got the channel time shift as well. So if I were to go around and drag this out right here, so let's just go around and drag out the channel time shift right here. So what happens is that you can go around and choose the red, and what happens is that the red channel plays out before the other channel. You can go around and change out the green right here, and you can go around and change out the blue, as you can see. And now what happens is that the timing for red, green and blue is different, so hence giving out this effect, as you can see right here. You can go around for the red shift right here, or green shift, as you can see right here, or everything else for the alpha channel right here. Or you can utilize preset like blue ahead right here, or like green ahead right here, just like this, or red ahead, or you can go for extreme delay right here, trail blue right here, and so forth, as you can see right here, and you get similar results just like this. And of course you can go around and then arrange it out manually as you like right here, and then you get this channel swapping effect right here and channel time shift effect. So that is how you can work around with channel swapping and channel time shift effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.